Hello and welcome to episode 17 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. Got a lot of stuff to go over today. I didn't realize how much stuff there was until I watched the last video this morning. Said, oh, I definitely need to do an update. So here in the rec room, everything has been sprayed down, primed, sanded. The next step in here, also this crown molding was installed yesterday. So we've got to do some caulking and filling in the little nail holes. That's fun stuff. And then we have to spray the trim. After that is done, we need to put one more coat of paint on the ceiling. Then we can start painting the walls. And the guys are coming in tomorrow to start on the flooring. Now, this happened this past week. We have most of our cabinets here in the kitchen. Our cabinet guy is coming tomorrow to install the rest of the cabinets on the far left where those doors are. And this is our island with the eat up bar. Oh my gosh, this is just ridiculous. It made such a huge difference. And so also whenever he comes in tomorrow, he'll be doing the crown molding up top, put the shelves and the doors on, and then the countertop guys are coming in to measure so that we can get our quartz countertops put in. And then we can start putting in all the appliances, and then when the flooring is in, we gotta pick out some bar stools, all kinds of stuff going on here. Look at those pretty steps right there. Paint. I have been up to my eyeballs in paint this weekend. So as you can see, I painted over here. Oh, my husband may have hit that spot yesterday when he was moving the door, so he's gotta fix that, and we'll touch that up with some paint. But we went with gray cloth. So the brand is Bear Marquee. It's one coat paint. That's what sucked me in because I was like, one coat? Yes, sign me up. So I did that all along the hallways here. And it's a really pretty gray color. I like it a lot. Pantry. So David is working on this. I got this painted this weekend. The ceilings, everything is painted in here. And he is installing shelves. So we will have 5 shelves in this little walk-in pantry, and I am super excited because that is going to make a huge difference. I can start moving some stuff out of the way. That is the vanity that's going in the bathroom. I primed the bathroom this weekend, so we'll need another coat on the ceiling. We're just going to go with white paint in here, and then he'll start on the tiling of the bathtub here, flooring, get that all that stuff going so that we have a usable bathroom. We're gonna go into the office. I refused to go to bed last night until this was painted, so this got painted. And this is also the Bear Marquee one coat. The color is wheat bread, so it's kind of like a tan. But there is our flooring that's going to get installed, and the flooring is the premium engineered vinyl flooring. Was that PVC or whatever? Savannah Oak. We got that from Lowe's. We got the flooring from Lowe's. The paint is from Home Depot, and so yeah, I mean it's really starting to come together. Hopefully I can start doing weekly updates, because if things start going as fast as I'm hoping that they're going to go, then weekly updates will be a great thing that we can start doing. So anyway, stay tuned for next time, because there's going to be some really big stuff going on this week. So see you then.